Hello, and welcome to another Super Dispatch support video. Today, we'll walk you through the Carrier TMS dashboard and show you how dispatchers can use it to manage loads, drivers, and urgent tasks more efficiently. First, you're going to want to go to superdispatch.com and click on Login, and then Carrier Login. From here, you'll enter your email and password, and then you'll receive a temporary 6-digit code. Once you have that code, just enter it there and click Login. Next, you'll just want to click on Dashboard on the left-hand side of the screen. From here, at the top of the dashboard, you'll see the Delayed Load section. This area helps you track any shipments that have missed their pickup or delivery dates. You'll see the total number of delayed loads at a glance. Delays are split into two categories. First, we have delayed pickups. These are loads where the scheduled pickup date has passed, but the vehicle hasn't been picked up. You also have delayed deliveries. These are loads that are marked as picked up but haven't been delivered on time. Each load shows how many days it has been delayed, and they are listed from most to least delayed so you can prioritize the most urgent. You can also click View All to see the full list of delayed shipments. Next, we'll move on to unassigned loads. The unassigned loads section shows all loads that haven't been assigned to a driver. You'll see the total number of unassigned loads with each load displaying the Assign button. Click the Assign button to quickly assign it to a driver. You can also use the View All button to open the full list of unassigned loads and manage them in bulk. Next is the Driver Management section. In the Drivers section, you'll find a snapshot of your active and assigned drivers. This section helps you monitor availability, workload, and assignments. You can also view the number of loads delivered this month. Use the search bar to look up drivers by name, email, or phone number. Drivers are sorted into groups. Available, these are drivers with no active loads. Delivering, drivers currently working on loads marked as picked up. Next, let's move our attention over to the Attention Required section. The Attention Required section displays important alerts and warnings that need your attention. You'll see the number of active alerts. This section also helps you stay ahead of issues like missing documents, expired credentials, or system errors. Hover over each alert to get more details and a quick explanation of what needs to be done. Next, we'll briefly go over the Company Ratings section. Here, you can see all of the ratings pertaining to your company. In the first section, you can see ratings received. These will be ratings that have been given to you by a shipper or broker. In the next section, you'll see ratings to give. These are ratings you still need to give shippers and brokers from loads that you've moved. And that's it. You now know how to navigate and use the Carrier TMS dashboard to manage your loads, drivers, and critical tasks efficiently. If you have any additional questions, feel free to contact our support team at support@superdispatch.com or click on the chat icon in the bottom right-hand corner of your screen. Again, thank you so much for watching this video, and we hope you have an amazing rest of your day.